So substitute these values here. This is
Okay,
2
ma'am.
into 3 minus 2 divided by alpha beta is 3 plus 2 plus 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 plus 1, 6. This is equal to 2 by 3 is the sum. Now product is alpha minus 1 by alpha plus 1 into beta minus 1 by beta plus 1. This is equal to, what is the product? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So numerator is
Alpha beta minus alpha minus beta plus 1.
numerator.
Ma'am, this will be alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1.
Now here you can write alpha beta minus of alpha plus beta. Minus sign we can take common from these two.
Yes, ma'am.
Then plus 1 denominator alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. Substitute values 3 minus 2 plus 1. Here 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. That is equal to 1 by 3. So new sum you got 2 by 3 and new product is 1 by 3. So your polynomial will be k into x square minus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3. Take LCM. K into bracket 3x square minus 2x plus 1. This is your polynomial. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt anyone has?
Ma'am, the first part of
First part of
this question.
this question.
Yes, ma'am.
LCM, addition.
Ma'am, so 2 by 3 is minus b by a, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done? Have you completed?
Yes,
Just a
ma'am.
minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you know, so then, like, when did you substitute the values?
What?
After 2 alpha beta minus 2 by alpha beta plus beta plus 1,
Huh?
how did you substitute the values?
From the polynomial given, no? Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, x square minus 2x plus 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So from that alpha plus beta value is what?
Minus b by a.
That is minus of minus 2 by 1.
C by a. C.
And c by a is 3. 3 by 1 is 3.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, but where did we use whose roots are that?
Roots are?
And the question is written whose roots are something.
Yeah, roots means zeros. Another name for zeros is roots.
Oh. Okay, fine, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what do we have to do now?
Completed? All the doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed homework? Ritika, Rajarshi, Satvik, are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Satvik, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you last week full?
Ma'am was there in the class.
You were there by only connected. I keep on calling, you were not there. Shaban, the same. Shravan, are you there? No, absent. Tushar,
Yes, ma'am.
all of the doubts, everyone's clear? Anyone still has any doubt till 12th question?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, in 11th question,
Hmm?
I know how to solve, but I'm not getting the correct answer.
Twinkle, all the questions have you solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Banupriya, Rajashi?
Ma'am, I've solved.
So here, this is the equation whose zeros are alpha and beta. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. So what is minus b here?
-1.
Minus of minus 1.
Yeah, so +1.
1 by 1. So answer is 1. And what is the value of alpha beta?
-4.
It is minus 4 by 1, which is minus 4, right? Now whose value they are asking to find? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. So this is equal to, if you simplify these two parts, so what is the LCM we will get? We have to add them,
Alpha beta.
alpha beta. So with which you have to multiply here, numerator?
Beta plus alpha.
Beta plus alpha, and this minus alpha beta, keep it separate. Now substitute the value. Beta plus alpha, that is alpha plus beta, value is 1 by minus 4, minus of minus 4, right? So this is minus 1 by 4 plus 4 by 1. LCM
4.
4. Here already minus 1. Here you have to multiply with 4. That is plus 4 4 is 16. So answer is 15 by 4.
Which question is this?
11th.
Okay, ma'am.
Now continue all the remaining questions. 11, 10, 11, 12 I told, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the homework are there, you have to complete at the same time. Otherwise, I will not give you more time after the completion of chapter to upload the answers.
Ma'am, can you just scroll up this answer?
Till where do we have to do now?
13th onwards. Now here in this question, whose value we have to calculate? Swingle, can you explain this one? Try to. Can't hear you.
Oh, 1 minute.
Yeah, fine, fine. So what we need to do?
Ma'am, first the
Sum of the zeros.
sum of the zeros and product of the zeros.
Yeah, what is the sum of 0 we will get here?
We get here is minus 1 by 1.
Minus 1 by 1, that is 1. Okay, and the alpha product of zeros, alpha beta equal to
-2.
minus 2. Now we need to calculate the value of this. So how to find out? If we
Ma'am,
take
we'll take the
LCM,
LCM.
that is alpha
Then
beta,
we get beta minus alpha beta on top.
beta minus alpha, right? Now how to solve this beta minus alpha? Now listen everyone, you have not solved this. You have the value of only alpha beta, alpha plus beta and alpha beta. You have to calculate beta minus alpha value. Identity you would have used last year. That identity we have to use. The identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That this identity we have to use to find the value of beta minus alpha. Now you will tell me how come this. For this now, last year I think so I have explained you this.
Yes, ma'am.
A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the value of a square plus b square? This identity already I told you. A plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? Value of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now what is the value of a minus b whole square? Expand it. A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Minus 2AB. So it is A plus B whole square minus 4AB. Clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I ready? Now you have to calculate beta minus alpha, but we will try first calculating square of it. Beta minus alpha whole square is beta plus alpha whole square minus 4 beta alpha. So we have the value of beta plus alpha minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus 2. So this is equal to 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9, right? So beta minus alpha whole square is 9. So what is the value of beta minus alpha then?
3.
Only 3
Minus 3.
plus or minus 3. I
Plus
told
or
you
minus
square root of a number is always we have to consider both plus also and minus also. So what is the value of 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta is equal to beta minus alpha by alpha beta. This is plus minus 3. Beta minus alpha value is plus minus 3 and alpha beta is minus 2. So it will be, if we take plus 3 value, so plus 3 by minus 2, that is minus 3 by 2, or minus 3 by minus 2, which is 3 by 2. So anyhow, we will get plus minus 3 by 2. So the answer is plus minus 3 by 2. Clear? Is the method clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, how to find
Yes,
out and
ma'am.
mark that question in your book. In your book, mark this question because this is identity you have to use. It is not the straightforward method.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can solve this by
Your factorization, if you factorize, it's okay. If you are able to factorize, it's fine. But if you are not able to factorize by a given polynomial, then
ma'am, but answer you get same.
here in this case, x square plus x minus 2, they have given this polynomial. You are able to factorize, but all the questions when you will get, it might, there are possibilities, that is you will get the polynomial which cannot be factorized.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
In that case, we have to use this method.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the 17th question, I'm not able to understand how to.
Which question?
Ma'am, 17th.
No, that question is wrong actually. What is the printed question is wrong. Just a second, I will show you that question. 17th question is printed wrong. Are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Ma'am, could you scroll a bit up?
Ma'am, for the 13th question, I'm getting minus 3 by 2.
Done this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue the further questions. Now you can sort further. This is a 17th question. Everyone change in your book, change the 17th question. The polynomial you have to change, and there is alpha by beta only left written or printed. It should be alpha by beta plus beta by alpha also. This is 17th question. Everyone change this. Still only one student video camera is on. Why not others? Thirteen question done. 14 question, what has to be done? How to simplify that? Alpha square beta
Ma'am,
plus alpha beta.
we can take alpha and beta common.
Alpha and beta common. So alpha beta outside, inside bracket it will be
Alpha,
alpha plus beta. So you have to multiply the product and sum. And in 15th one,
Over there it will be alpha cube and beta cube will be common. And inside we'll get alpha plus beta.
alpha plus beta. So alpha cube into beta cube will become alpha beta whole cube. Shreya, you have collected the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then fine. Now in this batch, everyone collected the book, or anyone still left? Fourteenth, 15th, able to do? Tushar, you are able to do the 14th, 15th?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay, do first.
Done, ma'am.
16th. All you have to solve 16, 17, 18, 19. Then I will explain the type 4.
Okay, ma'am.
So in 16 question, you have alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, right? So how to simplify this? LCM will be
Alpha beta.
alpha beta. And now numerator will be
Alpha square plus beta square.
alpha square plus beta square. So how to simplify? Alpha square plus beta square, identity,
Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta.
beta, right? Very good. And alpha beta. Now substitute the value in this value. Completed 16 question?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes, Rohit?
I would.
Can't hear you properly.
Ma'am, is it better?
No, I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, I think. Ma'am, are you able
Now
to
I
hear
can,
me
now
now?
I can. Yes, I can now.
Yes, ma'am. In the 18th question.
You have to simplify first that.
I'm not.
First
Ma'am,
simplify
I
the given
simplified
equation.
the.
So what is the
Yes,
A
that.
value of A? Value of A is value of A, ax square plus bx plus c. In that value of A is
The value of A is, ma'am, 1.
1. B is
Minus px plus 1.
no. X square, x is a variable. So that means x's coefficient is b. So what is the coefficient of x?
9.
It is minus p only.
Okay, ma'am. I
And
consider
and
the whole one. So
no, only
minus.
open that bracket and then x square separate, x separate, and the constant term separate.
Okay.
Everyone completed 16 question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 17 question, there are 3 different terms. So for that, first, alpha plus beta is, what's the value of alpha plus beta?
6/3, which is 2.
2.
6/3, which is 2. And alpha beta is equal to
4/3.
4/3.
4/3. Okay, we keep aside and then one by one we keep solving here. First part, it will be alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta, right? Then second part, plus 2 into beta plus alpha by alpha beta by taking LCM. Then plus 3 alpha beta. Now here alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square. Use identity. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta plus 2 into beta plus alpha by alpha beta plus 3 alpha beta. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta whole square is 2 square minus 2 into 4/3 by 4/3. Then plus 2 into 2 by 4/3 plus 3 into 4/3. Is it clear now? Till this step, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep simplifying. 4 minus 8/3 divided by 4/3 plus 2 into 2 into 3/4. 4/3 will go to the numerator as reciprocal and plus this 3 get cancelled, 4. So it is equal to, now LCM is 3. So 12 minus 8/3 into 3/4 plus 4 into 3/4, which is 3 plus 4. So this 3 get cancelled. 12 minus 8 is 4/4. This 4/1 into 1/4, which is 4/4 plus 3 plus 4. 4/4 is 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, polynomial is 6x square plus x minus 2, no ma'am?
6x square. Polynomial is not needed to form now.
Ma'am,
Here,
but
okay, no.
here
Here,
alpha.
3x
Can
square
you scroll
minus
down?
6. Here, this is a polynomial. Change. Polynomial is changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you scroll down?
Ma'am, I did a mistake, ma'am. I was taking 16 questions equation and I started doing.
Okay. Completed 17th?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 18th question. Polynomial is given. Fx is equal to x square minus p into x plus 1 minus c.
18.
So yeah, this is 18th question. Now in this question, first simplify this polynomial. X square minus px minus p minus c. Now what is the value of a?
1.
B,
Minus p.
Minus p.
c,
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus p.
Minus c.
what are the values of c? C is what?
Minus p minus c.
C is a constant term which don't have x. So which of these terms don't have x?
Minus p minus c.
Minus p and minus c. Both of them are the term c. So this is a constant term. Why it is constant? Because it don't have any variable along with it. Therefore, it is constant. Right? Now whose value we are? So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That is minus of minus p by 1. That is plus p. And alpha beta is equal to c by a. So c is minus p minus c by
1.
so minus p minus c. So now whose value they are asking us to find? Alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. So it is equal to multiply alpha into beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. So alpha beta is minus p minus c plus alpha plus beta is plus p, then plus 1. Plus p minus p cancel. This is equal to 1 minus c. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nineteenth one. Both of them. Now you can solve alpha square plus beta square and alpha minus beta whole square.
Ma'am, so basically in this chapter, all the questions are concerned with the product and sum of the alpha and beta.
Yes, right. First, this is still we are doing quadratic, the similar one for cubic, and then finally division algorithm is there.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up?
Rupika, Tanya, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Tejal, are you there? Able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right?
Yes, right.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone
Done, ma'am.
completed? For the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mehak, Louise, yeah, ever got the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahika, Sukruta, Shreya, Kritika,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pritam, Nishant, Daphne.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now type 4.
What? Now next is type 2. Type 4, sorry. Next type. Type 4 questions here. Now in this type, these all actually, whatever the questions you are solving, these are either 1 or 2 markers only. These are a question asked in objective parts. These are objective questions all. Now in type 4 question, there is relation between two zeros they have given. So there also we have to use the property of sum of zeros and product of zeros only. But instead of giving alpha plus beta or any relation between alpha and beta, they have given one zero is the reciprocal of other zero, or 1 0 is the negative of the other zero. Like that, the relation between alpha and beta they have given. And from that, the unknown variable value you have to calculate. So first thing we are starting that type 4, we are starting with the 0. If you remember the factor theorem last year you have learned. If 4 is the 0 of the polynomial, then find the value of k. So those questions you remember in class 9 polynomial you have learned.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are starting with that, and then the two relations between the two zeros. So in the first question, these are all 20th question is the similar to the class 9th. First three questions are of class 9th, 4 questions. So try solving them first. 20 to 23. So minus 4 is a 0 of this polynomial. Then find the value of k. That means what has to be done?
We need to replace the value of k.
Not k.
We have to substitute minus 4 in place of x.
Value of x you have to substitute as minus 4 in this equation and equate it to 0, because if it is a 0, that means value of this polynomial will become 0, right? So you have to substitute x square minus x minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0 when x is minus 4. E of minus 4 you have to calculate. So minus 4 square minus of minus 4 minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. 16 plus 4 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. 20 minus 2 is 18. Minus 2k plus 18 is equal to 0. So 2k is equal to 18. K is equal to 9. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
We solve till 23. Damanpreet, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Join the other ID 430.
Okay, ma'am.
It was sent on the group. Kaushal,
Yes, ma'am.
join the other ID. Lohit,
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. 25th.
okay. Manish, Manish, can you hear me? Manish, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Manish, join other ID.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I mean the 22nd one.
Yeah.
Like the polynomial is ax square minus 3 bracket a minus 1 bracket x minus 1.
Oh,
So
no,
this-
a minus 1 into x only. Minus 1 is separate, not in bracket. X is only multiplied to that bracket.
And then minus 3.
Minus 1 is separate. Minus 3 and x is multiplied to this bracket.
Okay, fine.
So you have to multiply. Actually, you are multiply with minus 3x.
Yeah.
Meghna, join other ID.
Okay, ma'am.
You have a class on other ID.
Ma'am, I finished till 23rd question.
23rd, okay. 24th I'm solving. Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
join other ID. It is given in WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
430.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone completed till 23?
Yes, ma'am.
Then see the 24th one, somewhat different now. 24th is if 10 of the polynomial, this one, a square plus 9 into x square plus 13x plus 6a is the reciprocal of the other. So 10 is reciprocal of other. What is this? How can we make this, use this sentence? 10 is if you consider alpha is reciprocal of beta, right? Value of alpha is reciprocal of the another 0, 1 by beta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So here if we simplify, what we will get? Beta will be transferred to LHS. Alpha into beta is equal to
1.
1. So what is alpha beta?
Product.
C by A is equal to 1. This means C is equal to A. C by A is equal to 1. So A will be transferred. So C by A is equal to 1. So C is equal to A. So what is the term C here? In this equation, what is C? In the given equation, what is the value of C?
6a. 6.
6A. And what is the value of A?
C.
Huh? What is the value of A from this equation?
A square plus 9.
A square plus 9. And now simplify this equation. Bring 6A on other side. So 0 is equal to A square plus 9 minus 6A. Clear this step?
Yes,
Till-
ma'am.
Now can we write a square minus 6a plus 9 is equal to 0? Now can you factorize it?
Minus,
Product
minus 3 and minus 3a.
minus 3a plus 9. So it is equal to a into bracket a minus 3 into bracket a minus 3 equal to 0. So it is a minus 3 into a minus 3 is equal to 0. So value will be value of a will be 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the relation they have given? You have to understand that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
How is a square plus 9?
ma'am, I understood till C is equal to A. After that, what do you do?
From the equation, substitute the value of C and A. This is the equation given, right?
Yeah.
So what is the value of A, B, and C?
A is A square plus 9.
Hmm.
B is 13.
Hmm.
And C is 6A.
Hmm. That is why I substituted.
Okay, fine. Fine.
Oh, okay, understood.
Done, ma'am.
Scroll down.
Let's solve the 25th, 26th. Product of the zeros is 4.
Alpha beta is 4.
So what is alpha beta from the equation?
C by A
Minus 6 by A.
minus 6 by A. Yeah.
Minus 6 by A is equal to 4. So A is equal to
Minus 6 by minus 4.
minus 4.
Sorry, minus 6 by 4. Minus 3 by 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I think, no, ma'am, I got confused in that.
Is A minus 3 by 2?
Yes, right.
But he in answer is given 3 by 2.
No, it is minus 3 by 2. I've changed it. It is minus 3 by 2.
Okay.
26th one.
Should we take the LCM?
26 one. Alpha and beta are the zeros of x square minus 6x plus a. Find the value of a if 3 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 20. Now for this question, what are the values we can find out from alpha plus beta? We can find the value of alpha plus beta.
Yes, ma'am. 6 by 1. 6.
It is 6. And they have given 3 alpha plus 2 beta. Now a will come in. A product is alpha beta is equal to a by 1 is a. So that means what is exactly we need to calculate the value of alpha into beta, right? To get the value of a, we need to calculate the value of alpha into beta, product of two zeros. So we have two equations, alpha plus beta is equal to 6 and 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 20. So now here from this equation, can we write the value of beta as 6 minus alpha?
Yes, ma'am.
Substitute this in this equation. 3 alpha plus 2 into 6 minus alpha is equal to 20, right? Is this step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 alpha plus 12 minus 2 alpha is equal to 20. 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is equal to 20 minus 12. That is equal to 8. Alpha is equal to 8 we got. Now what is beta?
Minus 2.
Is equal to 6 minus alpha. That is 6 minus 8, which is minus 2.
A is
We
minus.
got, so alpha beta, A is equal to alpha into beta. That is equal to 8 into minus 2. That is minus 16.
Ma'am, homework till 31.
Next question. 27th.
Ma'am, are we considering alpha and beta to be A, alpha into beta?
Yes.
So we are just
Correct.
considering, we didn't get it
No,
from
no, 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 no. Which one? No, here from this equation. What is the value? C by A. Alpha into beta is C by A.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is C here? From the
1.
equation? From
Oh,
the equation.
okay, okay.
Got it? So A by
Yeah.
1 is A.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes?
And for the 27th one, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta.
Yes, right.
Therefore, minus beta is equal to C by A.
Yeah, right.
Then
So A
substitute-
get cancelled. A get
Yeah.
cancelled. So minus B is equal to C. Minus B is equal to C.
Okay.
So what is B here?
2.
B is 2 and C is
3K.
3K. Here equation is reversed. So check properly. The 27th question.
Ma'am, this class is still
27th question. Equation write in proper order. Variable is, which is this one. That equation is in which variable? K or X?
X.
It is X only. K is the value of A is K. B is 2 and C is 3K.
K is minus 2 by 3. Yeah. Should I solve the 28th one also?
Yes, continue solving.
Okay, then alpha is equal to negative beta. After that,
Take beta, the LHS.
alpha plus beta is equal to 0.
So what is alpha plus beta?
Minus b by 2k. 2k is 0. Therefore, k is 0. Okay.
Ma'am, in 27th question, C is 2.
No, see, that's what I told you. 27 question. It is which variable it is? Right, first it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. B is coefficient of x. So which one is the coefficient of x?
2.
2. So it is in this, right, in a proper order.
Ma'am, so C is 3k?
Yeah,
Only 3. Oh, okay.
3k.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone able to solve? Anyone facing problem?
Ma'am,
Yes.
28th question.
1, 0 is
Ma'am,
negative of the other. This means,
so alpha is equals to minus beta.
right? So minus beta, take it on LHS.
Alpha plus beta,
Equal to
0.
0. So what is alpha plus beta? C by A. Sorry, B by A minus B by A.
Minus b by
What is minus B?
minus 8k.
Minus of minus 8k.
Yeah, so plus 8k.
By A is,
4.
so equal to 0. That is 2k equal to 0.
So k is 0. Okay.
0 by 2 is 0.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the 29th one, I got a is equal to
A is equal to
5. But
Not-
in
no, there are two values. Okay. What is you got?
ma'am, I did alpha is equal to 1 by beta. So alpha beta is equal to 1. So 6a by a square plus a is equal to 1.
Right.
Therefore 6a is equal to a square plus a.
Right.
5a is equal to a square.
5a is equal to a square. Okay, right?
Therefore a square by a is equal to 5.
No. Here, the last class also I told you, when you have square, a square is equal to 5a, you got this a quadratic form. So a square minus 5a is equal to 0.
Yeah.
A into bracket a minus 5 is equal to 0. Value of a is 0 or 5.
Okay, fine.
solve till 31 and then you are supposed to leave.
Ma'am, we have to solve to 31 and then we are allowed to go.
Yes.
Ma'am,
And homework
I've
till
solved till
47.
31.
Okay, Rui. Then homework is till 47th.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and question number 30, its sum of zeros is half the product. Means alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 into alpha beta.
Yeah, right. Alpha plus beta is equal to half 1 by 2 into alpha into beta. So what is their B value?
Ma'am, so it is minus b by a is equal to half into c by a.
From this equation, what is the value of A?
3.
B?
2k.
No.
Ma'am, b is 2k
1.
plus 1. 2k plus 1.
Yeah, sorry.
And C?
Minus k minus 5. Ma'am, and 31 it's alpha is equal to 1 plus beta, right?
No, alpha is equal to 1 plus beta, okay?
Then alpha plus beta, in that you have to alpha plus beta, whatever value comes, no. How
Alpha
to
minus beta is equal to 1. And what is alpha plus beta?
alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 1, 5 by 5.
5. Why? Add both the equations, you will get alpha value.
So alpha is equal to 1 minus beta, like that.
No. If you alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and alpha minus beta is equal to 1, add both of them. If you equations you add, you will get the value of alpha.
Yeah, so alpha plus alpha minus beta.
Is equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6.
So alpha beta will get cut, beta minus beta.
So 2 alpha is equal to 6. So alpha is equal to
3.
3. And alpha minus beta is equal to 1. So beta value will be
2.
2. So and K is alpha into beta is K.
Yes.
Whoever completed 31 questions,
The
they can.
29th question.
Yes.
It's given that alpha is equal to 1 by beta. So I did that alpha beta is equal to 6a. Alpha into beta is equal to 6a.
6a by a square plus a.
Okay, ma'am.
A value is a square plus a, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes, Valju.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Vishal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, me too.
Okay, Ritika.
Bye, ma'am.
47 homework till question number 47.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Twinkle. Can we?
We can leave.
If completed 31 questions, then.
Okay, ma'am.
Complete 31 and then leave.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Shravan, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times I've called you?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, I went, current went.
All questions you have solved?
Yes, ma'am.
31?
Yes, ma'am.
Please send me your pictures.
Okay, ma'am, I'll send.
All the today's questions, what you have solved, send me
Okay,
the
ma'am.
pictures on my WhatsApp number.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm not getting the 31st one.
What is alpha plus beta? 31st is same as 26th. Exactly same. Try.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, C is K, right?
Yeah, C is K.
Fine. Got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, I finished solving. Can I leave? Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I'm done. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, 30th question, I'm getting K as 5 by 3. Ma'am, I did alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta by 2.
Yes, right.
So I got minus 2k divided by 3 is equal
From
to
where you got minus 2k by 3? What is B value?
minus b by a, ma'am.
Yeah, minus B by only. B value is?
Minus b value is 2k.
Check.
Oh. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I completed.
Okay, Trishula, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Homework till 47.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hasini, Krish, Chandra, where you are? What happened?
Ma'am, the last question, ma'am, I'll complete it, ma'am.
Finish fast.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Pranjal. Rupika.
Ma'am, I've completed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Tejasvi. Rupika.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done? Tejal,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, Tejal, can you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, Hasini.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Okay, Sukrita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yeah, Shreya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, even I am done. Can I leave?
Okay, Chandra.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes, Rupika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I've done. Can I leave, ma'am?
Yes, Krish, you can.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the 30th question. Okay.
Alpha plus beta is equal to, they have given alpha plus beta is equal to half of product. So alpha plus beta is b by a minus b by a is equal to 1 by 2 into c by a, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this a and this a get cancelled. So minus b is equal to c by 2. So what is the b value? Minus of 2k plus 1. C is minus k minus 5 by 2. So multiply here, minus 2k minus 1 is multiplied with 2 to get minus k minus 5. Minus 4k minus 2 is equal to minus k minus 5. So minus 3k is equal to minus 3. K is equal to 1.